I thought, and this might be a bit annoying, I would do these points here. So, there are other things that have been sent to me by my godson. The points L, M, and N are such that L, M, and N is in a straight line. And the coordinates of L are -3, 1. The coordinates of M are 4 to 9, 4, 9 even. LM is, so that's 2/5. And MN is 3/5. I mean, I have to say it doesn't look like that. Find the coordinates of N. So that means, let's look at the difference in X between L and M. So the difference in X is 7. Okay. And the difference in Y is 9 minus 1. So hold on, that was 4 minus 3. And the difference in this is going to be 9 minus 1, which is 8. So that means that if that's 2 parts is 7, that means 1 part equals 3.5 in terms of X. And 1 part in terms of Y is, this is 2 parts is 8, so 1 part equals 4 in terms of Y. So now we've got to go 3 parts along this way. So 3 parts for X is 3 times 3.5. And then we've got to go up 3 parts to get to N, which is 3 times 4. So that means 3 times 3.5 is 11.5, or 9 plus 1.5, okay. So that's 11.5, and 3 times 4 is 12. So we've got to add those on to M. So 4 plus 11.5 equals 15.5. So that's one of the points, that's the first coordinate. And then the second one is 9 plus 12. So 9 plus 12 is 21. And that's how you do that one. Sorry, I had to make Claude clean them up so that I could actually do them. And now let's go, I can do this in 2, you see. The other one we're going to do now is this one. So we've got the ratio of Marta's hourly pay to Khalid's hourly is 6 to 5. And both Marta and Khalid get an increase of £1.50 in their hourly pay. And the ratio of Marta's hourly pay to Khalid's hourly pay is 13 to 11. I've got to be honest, this has always been my least favourite thing, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you say 6x, which is Marta, plus 1.5 equals 13. And we put that over 5x plus 1.5, and that's over 11. And then you cross multiply, so you get 13, 6x plus 1.5 equals 11 times 5x plus 1.5. Now, I'm not that good at timesing 1.5 by odd numbers, so I'm going to do this in a calculator because it's laziness really, but you know, we're allowed to be lazy. But 13 times 6 is 78, so we've got 78x plus 13 times 1.5, which is 19.5. Yeah, I suppose it's 6.5 and 13. And then that's 55x plus, I suppose I should be able to do this, I can't really be bothered though, 11 times 1.5, which is 16.5. Again, really obvious, but can I be bothered? Take 55 off both sides, 55x off both sides, and you get 23x plus 19.5 equals 16.5. And then take off 19.5 from that side, and you get 23x equals 3. Which does not on the face of it, look like this is going to be correct. So, hang on, that's 13.5, hang on. So 13 times 5 is 65. Well, that does help things somewhat. And 11, that is true. That is also true, so that's that bit. And that is, hang on. I have just worked out what I've done wrong. I think I've put the wrong things. So that's 11 and that's 13. Let's just go back. So when you get an answer that's impossible, always go back and say, why is this not possible? And you'll soon find. So it's 11 times 6x plus 1.5 equals 13 times 5x plus 1.5. And that's 66x plus 16.5. And that is 78. Oh no, that's not. 13 times 5 is 5, 1 up. 65x plus, surely, yeah, that's fine. 65x plus, is that 19.5? It is, isn't it? Yeah, so this will now give us, if we take 65 off 66, that gives us x equals 19.5 minus 16.5, which is 3. Work out the hourly pay before the increase. So that means that Marta earned £18 and Khalid earned 15. And then if we add that on, that makes some sense. Really sorry about that. Yeah, it's been a long day and I haven't even started tutoring yet.